Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Timothy Williams Jr. If you want to learn about business, investing, and personal finance, tune in. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the end of the video. I have a huge announcement for you guys. Stay tuned. Today we're going to talk about how to file an LLC for your business. Filing an LLC is a lot easier than you think. Some people pay lawyers $300 just to file an LLC. I'm gonna show you how to do it with only $50. But remember, I'm in Michigan. It may be different from whatever state you're in, so just take that into account. LLC, Limited Liability Company. A limited liability company is the U.S. specific form of a private limited company. It is a business structure that can combine the pass-through taxation of a partnership or sole proprietorship with the limited liability of a corporation. Alright, first you're going to open up your Safari. At the top of your browser, you're going to type in michigan.gov/corp file online. Then it's going to say, if you are forming a new entity, click here. So you're going to click there. Then you're going to click 700 Articles of Organization. Now it's going to show up as a new file. So the name of your LLC, you're going to type that in. I'm going to use Timothy Williams Jr., which is my YouTube tag. Next, you have article number 2. The only time you're going to fill that out is if you want your duties/rules of business to change outside of the 1993 PA 23 Act. Next, we have the article number 3. The only time you're going to fill this out is if your LLC is a short period of time. So if you're working for a company for 3 months and you only need the LLC for a limited time. Next, you're going to fill out article number 4, your agent name. If you were having someone else fill it out, then it would be their name. But since you're filling it out, you're going to put your own name. I recommend to put a P.O. box for the address, not your personal address, because this is public records. So it's going to show up as your personal address if you put in your information. So I put a made up address, but if I'm for my LLC, I will put a P.O. box. So next we have article number 5. So right where it says article, you're just going to put in number 5. Then you're going to put the effective date, which is whatever day yours on. So for me, it's the 23rd. And obviously, I'm not filling it out right. I'm putting 20 instead of 2020. So make sure you fill that out right, or it won't let you move forward. Then again, I'm forgetting the days. I put 0824, but it's the 23rd. Then article, after that you're going to put in article number 6. And add new entry to this list, but like I said again, I didn't put in the right date. So make sure you put in the right date, which is, make sure you put 2020 instead of 20. Now you're going to put add new entry to this list, type in your name, then press accept, and then add. Now you're going to put in your submitter's contact information, so type in all of your contact information along with your business name. I'm going to be putting in just basic information just to get through this for you guys. Like I said again, just submit your contact information, put in your actual information so that everything is right when you go to file this. Then again, I also recommend you putting in a P.O. box. So if you can go to the post office or somewhere and get a P.O. box for maybe $50, I would recommend you do that and get everything sent there, because this is public records and you want all your information sent there and not your personal address. But make sure you do put a great contact email, because they will contact you if you're rejected or when you're approved. I recommend using email for them to contact you because mail takes a lot longer, especially with everything going on as far as COVID. So just put in an email address, and just be sure to check your junk mail and anything like that, so you're staying up to date on that. And then here you're going to select the level of service that you want to choose. If you're in a rush, 24 hours, it's $50. Same day, it's $100. I recommend just doing a standard review, which is going to be just $50, and it's going to take a few days. So press review. You see I didn't put Timothy Williams Jr. LLC, so just make sure you do that. Then scroll down to the bottom. Oh, I'm sorry. Insert any desired additional information. So I'm going to put there are no additional provisions. Just period. Put that in there. Scroll down to the bottom. You're good. Everything's good. Press review. Scroll down and then put submit filing. Then you're going to go to this screen and it says it's going to be $50 like I said. The payment date is today's date. So you're going to plug in your credit card. Then after you pay for this, it's self-explanatory. They'll send you an email if you're rejected or denied. And then you're all set. An LLC is great to have for your personal assets. So if someone tries to sue you, they won't take all your personal things. An LLC just basically is a protection for you. So if someone slips, falls, or does anything to try to sue you, they're gonna go after your business and not your personal assets. An LLC is great for a vending machine company, real estate, lawn care, whatever company you have, I would recommend filing an LLC. A lot of real estate gurus, if they have more than one property, sometimes they put an LLC in each property. So if their renter breaks their leg or gets hurt under the place, they can only sue the LLC and not the person who owns the property. So it's a great form of protection for you if you have your own business. For the moment you guys all been waiting for, I need all you guys' help to get me to 250 subscribers, and I will be doing a free, brand new, sealed in the box AirPod giveaway, Apple AirPod giveaway. What I need you guys to do is follow me on Instagram at Timothy Williams Jr. 0. Check my last post for the details. Stay tuned.